Hey guys, welcome. In today's video we will go to EasyEDA, which is uh, easy to use and free PCB designer software. So as you can see, you can download it to your computer or you can design online. So in today's video we will go through and how to generate Gerber files in EasyEDA. So let's get straight into it. So when you logged in into your account on EasyEDA, it will look something like that. So you will import your project in, or you make something what you are doing on. After that, you will open up your schematic and your PCB, and to export Gerber files, you will go here to PCB, which you built through schematic. So now you will see here on the upper corner, upper here in this tool area, here one file with G, and this is PCB fabrication file. So Gerber files, click on that. Then you can here rename your file name. Options, here you have one key export, custom configuration. If you click here, you have here some which layers you will choose. So I will go with that one, and after that we can preview this one here, so we can export this way also. So I will go like that. We can check that. No, continue exporting, because right now we don't need that. So like that. Now, if I, for example, open up one created Gerber file, now you can see that Gerber files were correctly exported. And this is basically it, how to export Gerber files from EasyEDA. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.